Hey guys, it's Thalia and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I want to do a updated eyebrow tutorial for you guys. It's been since last year around September, October, somewhere around those 2 months. I uploaded my video, my eyebrow tutorial for you guys, and since I've been doing my eyebrows differently now, it's totally different, and I'm using the NYX pencil and the pomade together, combined it, so it made my eyebrows a little bit more different. And I'm just gonna be showing you step by step how I do my eyebrows this time. So you requested how I do my eyebrows, and so I just want to do an update eyebrow tutorial for you guys, and I really helps you guys out. And I'm not very good at explaining how I do my eyebrows, but I will definitely try my best to explain it step by step for you guys. But yeah, just be aware I'm not very good at explaining like the steps by doing the eyebrows. Also, I want to thank you guys for also subscribing to my channel and for all the support and love. That really means so much to me. You guys have no idea. It makes me really happy, and it's just, I will continue to support you guys as well. And yeah, so I really thank you guys so much, and just don't give up and keep doing your videos. And I see you guys uploading and doing so many amazing videos, and it just makes me not want to give up on my videos too. You guys are doing a fabulous job, so don't give up. Just keep doing your videos, keep uploading. You're doing a great job, so keep it up, guys. Let's get started with the video, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, and also what kind of products am I using. They're very affordable. You can also use high-end brands, whichever is more best for you, what you really like. So let's get on to the video. I just got a little bit closer just to show you guys how I do my eyebrows step by step. And I have the NYX micro brow pencil. This one is the shade Espresso, and I also have the NYX pomade, and this one is the shade Espresso as well. So it's always best to have two brands are the same, because sometimes the shades are a little bit off. Because I tried using the pomade Anastasia, and I think it was the shade, I forgot the shade, but it was different from this color Espresso. So it's always best to have the same brand or same color. But I'm going to be using these products right here. Tip number 1, guys, always get your eyebrows done, because I try to do my own eyebrows and always an epic fail, and there's never a moment that it comes out really good. So I always get my eyebrows done every week or every 2 weeks, mostly every week, but I always get my eyebrows done. I never do my own eyebrows because I'm scared, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do something wrong. So always get your eyebrows down. If you think you can do it, that's great. You can also do that too, whichever is more best. But you know, if you don't know how to do your eyebrows and you want to do them, it's best for you to go get your eyebrows done. Just, you know, if you make a mistake, you know, they're able to fix it, and you know, because they're professional there. So I'm going to be taking the NYX brow pencil. This one is the shade Espresso, like I said. And the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to take spoolie, and I'm just going to brush them out. You want them to like be scattered, and also you want them to be like not together, but also you want to make it more like very nicely shaped. So I'm just going to brush it up like a bushy eyebrows, I guess. And just to let you know, my eyebrows are not even. They're one shade is different from the other. As you can see, they're not even the same. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the, you can start from the center, you can start from the end, you can start from here, but my habit is I've been starting from here now. But gently, do it slowly, don't press too hard, because then it's going to be hard to, you know, brush it out, blend it in, you know, because you're gonna have this line, harsh line, and it's gonna be very noticeable. So we're just gonna do a line, and then you're just gonna take the spoolie, and you're actually going to like brush it out just to like even it out. Now that you have that line, you're gonna brush it and everything. Now you're gonna start making a line like from the outer of the eyebrow, just to like line it up. And then what are you gonna do when you go on the top? You're gonna line it up just to create a shade, because I have no hair in the top right here, so obviously I have to create fake hair just to like even it out. So since I don't have this, I have this open space right here, obviously I'm going to create hairlines. So there we go. So this is your shape, and you're gonna do like gently, to not too hard, just like create a line on the top. And then what are you gonna do is you're just gonna take your spoolie and you're just actually going to like brush it out just to even it out. As you can see, it's actually blending in the eyebrows just to give it some kind of like shade. So I'm just gonna like now that you brush it out, you're going to be taking your NYX pomade, and this one is a shade Espresso. You can use any brush you like, but I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Small angle brush, and I'm actually going to dip it in with the NYX pomade. And as you picked up product of this, you're going to start filling in the center and start filling all the way in the bottom line, just so that you can see that you're actually getting the color in the eyebrow. Now you're going to be taking your spoolie and you're actually going to like blend everything in, just that it won't be like too dark out of it. As you can see, I'm not feeling anything right here because you don't want it to be way too much going on the whole eyebrow. So that's why I started from halfway and all the way down to the end of my tail, if that makes sense. I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to line it up from the top. That way it could just be even. And then you're going to start filling in the whatever's missing, so that way the empty spots won't show up. If you have to, you can go back and then just go with your brow pencil and start creating a line if you think that if it's necessary. Normally, if I see something is like wrong or there's like a little mistake or something, I like to go back and then just go with my brow pencil and just like line it up a little bit, just to like highlight the point of it. So I'm just gonna like line it up a little, and from the top, and then I'm just gonna take my spoolie and I'm just gonna like blend everything out. I know eyebrows take forever, honestly. To do my eyebrows, it honestly takes me like 15 minutes. That's why when I do makeup tutorials, I do my eyebrows first before I do my makeup, because hey, honestly, it takes time. When you're in a rush, you just put eyebrow gel or natural eyebrows, but if you want to take the time, it does take the time to do your eyebrows. So I'm just gonna brush them out. And then next, I'm going to be taking, you can use any concealer, whichever is best for you to use, but I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild concealer, and this one is the shade Light Ivory, and I'm just going to highlight the eyebrows, but the outside of my eyebrows, just to give it like a little highlight, just so it can like show up a little. So I'm just going to put some on the top as well, and right here as well. So then I'm just going to be taking my Real Technique brush, and then I'm just going to like blend everything out, just to like make it look more nicer. And that's okay if you get like, I just highlight the inside of my eyebrow, but that's okay. It's very fixable and you guys know. So I'm just gonna like try to highlight and just gonna go on the top as well, and you're just gonna like line it up a little just so it can be more shapeable, more like it can pop up. And then you're just gonna do from right here. Now that I'm done, I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna like try to blend it in. Because I feel like with the finger, even though I did it with the brush, I feel like with the finger it's way better and it blends better. Just gonna go back with the spoolie and you're actually going to like blend it so that way the concealer that is lined up, it won't be noticeable. And you're just gonna brush it out, and even at the ends, even the one like if you put like concealer on your eyebrow, that's okay, brush it out, it will definitely disappear. Alright, and that's how you do your eyebrows, guys. It's very easy to do, honestly, but it's kind of difficult to explain it. But off camera, I'm just gonna finish the other eyes. As you can see, you can tell the difference of this. I have no hair, but I try to manage to make it more filler in the eyebrows, make it more fuller and more shaped, more better looking. Off camera, I'm just gonna finish the other eyebrow and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I really hope this video helped you out. I did try my best to explain it, and it's for me it's kind of very difficult to explain how you do step by step, but I did try my best and I hope this really helps you out. It took me a while to practice because I'm like, how do the girls do it, like do the perfect shape of eyebrows? And I just kept watching their videos, and even though we use different techniques how to apply to the eyebrows and how to apply it is very different, very the opposite, but it's just everyone learns differently. People use different products, people use different techniques how to do their own eyebrows. So I really hope this helped you out. Just keep on practicing, because the more that you practice, the more that you will get better at it. What I've been doing, I've been practicing, and that's how I got my eyebrows. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.